Hi guys, hi everyone, my name is Alan, I'm a web developer and I'm super excited to introduce myself to you guys. Today I'm going to be working through an application that I've been working on for a while now. I'm going to be showing you how the application works, what it does, and why I built it in the first place. Anyway, it's going to be a series of interesting videos, so if that sounds cool, you're going to just have to follow my account if I can miss any other videos from me. And sorry. So most importantly, we're going to be also building a native version of the application for both iOS and Android. Apparently, I only have the web version. I have a deployed version. So after I walk you through everything, you're going to just tell me what you think, guys. Just write down there in the comment section below. I appreciate all the comments. This is the first video on this account. Hey guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up the application on localhost. So I will open up the terminal and I will set it to the API. I'll first start the backend and npm run dev. So our backend is running. I'll open up another terminal and I'll set to the client. I'll also run it. Npm run dev. Alright. So as our backend is starting, let me take you through the folder of my application. So this is the dashboard, this is the client, and this is the dashboard. This is the API, this is the endpoint, this is where I define all my endpoints. This is my front end with React, and this is the dashboard where I have to manage all my users. So I'll go ahead and hit this link so that I open it up in the browser. Alright. So you're gonna give me some time still opening up, but then I have a deployed version. So this one is running on localhost on port 5173, and I have one that I deployed already. Oops, this is too big. Alright, so this is the one that's running on localhost, and I'm gonna first log out this user. So the pages are loading real slow because these are very high quality images, and I'm apparently hosting all the images inside my file, so it looks pretty insane. So alright, so this is what I wanted to show you. So if we don't have a user, the only thing that we have access to is the feed, is the user feed, but then you don't have access to the sidebar and all other stuff that we're gonna see in a few minutes to come. So this is the landing page for the application. I don't know why there's a black, I don't know, like they're not responding to my theme, but when you click join, you are redirected to the register page, and right from here, if you don't have an account, you can register, and if you already have an account, you can come right here and sign up. So I built my own authentication system. I'm not using any third-party authentication systems like Clark or anything. I built this myself, the Google Auth and the login and the register pages and the logic. I built it all by myself. I'm using the JSON Web Token to authenticate my users, and then yeah. So this is my dashboard where I manage all my users, like how many active users. Okay, this is all still dummy data. I haven't done a lot on the dashboard. This is all still dummy data that I have to change. Like, so my main focus is on the application itself. So so when I try to for example, if you're not a logged in user and then you try to or try to interact with any of the posts or anything, it will automatically redirect you to the login to the register page. So let me hit this. I show you what I mean. So when I try to like this post, since I am not a user, I'm going to be redirected to this page, and I already registered some users. That's Putin, and so we're going to be working with 3 test users. We're going to be working with Putin, um, Trump, and me myself. So I already created these users, like putin@gmail.com, and yeah, that's the password. So I will log Putin in. I will log Putin in, and boom, close. Putin is logged in. Putin is logged in right here. And also I'm gonna log myself in. So I'm using my Google account. So I already created an account on the Drop app, so it's not gonna ask me a lot of questions before I can get in. So I can just click sign in with Google, and boom, I will be in. Alright, this sounds cool. This looks cool, this looks cool. And as you see, when I log in, I got this. I don't know if you can see, guys. Let me zoom in a little. I have this blue, like green indicator, the online indicator, and for non-logged in users it doesn't appear. So let me log Trump in. Let me log Trump. I'm gonna log in Trump on my phone, so you're not gonna see that, but then you're gonna see that we're gonna have a green indicator appear right here on the profile picture as I log Trump in. So let me do that real quick. So I'll log Trump in real quick, and boom, yeah, it appears in real time. So when I log in a user, the online indicator appears in real time. So let me zoom out a little. So this is the user interface apparently, and yep. So as you see, like I'm the logged in user researcher. So I got three followers, and I'm following 6 people, and so yeah. So right now what we can do is that this is our social media application that has all the actions that you can ever find on any social media platform. So like as you can see, if you're following a user, you can see that I'm following this user. You can like a post. So now I already like this post, and as you can see, when you like a post, your profile picture appears right here and shows you like you, Vladimir Putin, and others like this post. And when you try to click it, it will show you the actual people who like this post. And when you go ahead and click on one of the profile pictures, it will redirect you to the profile page of that user, which is actually yep. So let me go back real quick. I think I got a bug. This is not supposed to happen. It's not supposed to happen this way. But then when I click right here, I click on the profile picture, you can see this is Putin. You can see the profile picture of the person who's actually following the specific user. My server responds a little slow. I don't know why. Let me refresh the app again. So yeah, you can see you can decide to follow this user or not to. So right now, when I follow Putin, so I'm gonna go ahead and follow this user Putin. So the UI updates optimistically in real time, and as you see right here, the follower count is 0, and when I refresh, you can see that the follower count of Putin has increased to 1. And when I go right here to Putin, where right here, and this is Putin logged in, and when you refresh on Putin's side in another tab, oops, this is taking longer than I expected actually. Right here you can see that Putin has 1 new follower, and that's me. So I can decide to follow Putin back or not to follow them back. So for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna follow putting back, and we're gonna see what happens in real time. So when I click follow back, I'm gonna follow putting back. So when I follow, as you see right here on the left, the count of friends that Putin has is 0. But when I go ahead and follow Putin back, you're gonna see the friends increment right here in real time, as you can see right here. Boom. So the way it works, like if you follow someone follows you back, you automatically become friends. So, and as you see, we no longer have any new followers on here. And yeah, I'll log out. So what else I wanna show? Okay, I wanna show you, like, I can create a post. So I'm Visachi. So I can go back right here, and I can create a post, any post, anything that I wanna post, like, good evening, homies. Good evening, my homies. Alright, so I can add a picture on that. You can write an article or anything, whatever. So still loading up. So I can select in the pictures that I got. Let me see, downloads, and what should I post? Alright, let me see this. Alright, let me post this. Okay, so when I select that picture, it's gonna appear right here. You can post as many pictures as you want. You can add as many pictures as you want. So let me post like 3, this, and this. So I'm gonna post this. Oh no, this. I will open that, and I guess I will post one more. Yeah. And I'll come back to my downloads. I will. Alright, let me post this as well. So you can write, and you can give it a title. You can write an article. You can say, like, here is an example of an article. So I guess I can go ahead and post this. So when I hit drop, it says the state here updates to be dropping, and shows you the percentage of the progress of your post, and makes that Twitter sound, though you can't hear it, but then I hear it. Boom. So here's what I've actually posted just right now. So this is the post, and most interestingly is that when I create a post, and another user will actually see, okay, yeah, we got that Twitter-like pop-up which shows you that there is one new post from, shows the profile picture of the person that actually created a post, and one new post. So, and as you see, my posts actually load as I scroll, so I make an API call as I scroll. So when I hit this one new post, this pop-up is going to scroll me back to the top and append this post to my feed. I don't know if it makes sense. Yeah. So that's how it works. So, still loading. Okay, the pictures take real long to load. I don't know why, but I guess because of the size of the images that I use, I guess. Yeah, but they're right here. So I can like this post. So when I like this post, boom, I've liked this post. And when I come back here, so you see it doesn't have any likes, but when I hit refresh, y'all gonna see that y'all gonna see that what? Oh, it didn't show up. Okay. Okay. It has to show right here, so let me first log out real quick. This is a bug. I guess this is a bug that I have to fix. I'll log back in again real quick. And alright guys, like when I logged out and logged back in, the like actually reflected. So you can see that Putin actually liked this post, and I can also hit the like, and then boom, I also like this post, and I can actually also write a comment. Most interestingly, so I can come right here. Wow, I'll write a comment real quick. Hey, this is a comment. So when I hit drop, boom. So when I hit drop, this comment is gonna show up. Like the first comment is gonna be on the preview of that specific post, right? And it's gonna show you the time that I posted the comment itself, and actually shows you the comment, the comments that are actually on this post. So when you hit this, we're gonna have a drop down. You can like a comment, and you can reply to a comment. So let me show you this. This is a reply. This is a reply, and I hit drop. As you can see, this comment comes. As you can see, guys, we have a reply right here, and let me show you something real quick. I'm gonna comment on this post as Trump on another account. So let me go back. All right. So okay. I don't know why this happens to me. Sign in real quick. Right. I'm sorry, guys. I'm trying to. Okay. So I'm gonna comment on this post on my phone as Trump. This is Donald Trump. Donald Trump. I'll drop this comment, and when I hit refresh on here, I don't know if it will pop up. I don't know if it also requires me to log in and log out again. I have to fix a couple of things on this app. So alright, that's cool. As you see, Trump has actually commented on my post, and as you see right here, we got 2 comments, and we have this is Trump has commented. This is a comment from Trump, and we also have this, and you can also reply to a reply. So let me reply as Trump to this reply. I show you what I mean, guys. I like your reply. I like this. Okay. So I'll drop a reply, and when I hit refresh again, right here on the another app, where you're gonna see that we have 2 comments, we have 1 reply, and also this reply has 1 reply, and that's from Trump. That's nice. All right. So, and when I'm as a logged in user, I can go to my profile, and when I go to my profile, I don't know why it's taking too long to load. Alright, I'm right here on my profile. I can change my profile picture to something else. I can update my profile. Like when I hit update, I can edit this and change it to something else that I wish. So picture, I will update it to this. I will update it to this. Okay, I will use this picture. So okay, so I will hit update, and it has to update right here the moment the update is successful. Boom, update is successful. And why is it not updating in real time? It's not supposed to do this. Okay, alright, it's actually updated, but then it wasn't real time. So we have a nice sidebar right here. And okay, so and most importantly, we can send messages to each other. Okay, I wanted to show you something else. So I followed Trump. I followed Trump, and Trump followed me back, and me and Vladimir were friends. I followed Vladimir. Vladimir followed me back, and now we're friends. And what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna follow Trump. Trump, right? Okay, I'm following Trump. Let me see if Trump. Let me make Trump follow me back, and then he will become my friend. So I'll come right here on my phone. When Trump follows me back, all right. So we become friends. Let me hit refresh. All right, as you see, guys, Trump Trump has followed me, but I followed him recently, and then he followed me back, and then we are friends right now. So it is in my phone list. And right now, so what I wanted to show you is that right here, as you can see, like people suggested for you, no suggestions, but then when you come to Vladimir and you hit refresh, I don't know if this is gonna work, but then it's supposed to load me up. Somebody here. All right, so here's the thing, people you may know, like here it shows you that a mutual friend, like people you may know, I display here mutual friends based on, for example, if all the people that that I here have one friend in common to the logged in user. So here it will show you all the people that you got mutual friends with, or all these people have a mutual friend who is me. So I'm a friend to Trump, and I'm a friend to Trump, and Trump is not a I'm a friend to Trump. Trump is not a friend. I'm a friend to Trump, and I'm a friend to Vladimir. By Vladimir and Trump are not friends. So because I am the common friend between them, I will display here right here in the mutual friends section. So you can decide to follow these people. So let me follow them. So I'm gonna follow this one. I don't know why my server takes too long to respond. And Trump is also gonna follow this. Vladimir is also gonna follow Trump. Alright, so when I come back right here, actually when I'm not the owner of a post, I can bookmark a post. This is a post that I can bookmark, as you can see right here. And if the post is mine, I can go ahead and delete it. It's not mine. I will not see this. I cannot edit, I cannot delete. So, and what else did I want to show you guys? What else did I want to show you? Okay, all right, here we have carousels of people like I am suggesting for you. Like you can see like a lot of people that I suggest, and you can actually also post a video. You cannot only post pictures or art, you can also post a video. Like you see this one, I posted it and then 3 people liked it, and that was Visachi Alonso Vladimir. And yeah, so so and most importantly, it got real-time messaging, like real-time messaging. For example, if I come right here, I can come right here, I go to Trump's profile, and as you can see we got Trump right here. So Trump can send me a message, so I can message Trump. Okay, I like this in dark mode. I like messaging this in dark mode, so I will turn it to dark mode. And alright, I'm sorry guys, like, so what I wanted to show you is that I can come right here and click on Trump's profile. As you can see, Trump, let me log Trump back in. Trump, okay, Trump is online, as you can see. So when I click on his profile, so when I click on Trump's profile, I will go to his profile, and I like how the application is responsive to both light and dark mode. So when I click right here, I can actually come right here and send Trump a message. I'm like, hello Trump, hello Trump. So I'll send a message to Trump, and as you can see, the message is sent. So like interestingly, like you can see when actually someone is typing. So let me reply as Trump on right here on my phone. I'm replying. So I got one message from Visachi. Hey bro. As you can see, like the online indicator that as I type, you can see this that the person is typing. So I can say, hello bro. So this is a message that I just sent, and then I can reply, sup. Did you hear that? Okay, the message pops up right here. How's the US? How's there? You can see this online typing indicator, and as I type, I can when I hit reply, the messages are real time. It appears in real time. That's cool, bro. Alright, if you hear that, that's the sound of the online typing indicator on my phone. Alright, so you can hit send, and the message also appears right here on the phone in real time. This is really cool. And these are some of my old conversations that I had with the users that I actually created myself. Yeah, this is really cool. And what else did I want to show you guys? The application is actually very responsive. So when you go to the mobile version of the application, this is how it looks like. This is how the mobile version looks like. So clean, so clean. We got a header. As we scroll, the header and the footer will have to disappear, so you got a wider view of everything. And and you got your sidebar right here. And when you so when you got this plus button, and then just like the way it is on the mobile, like real world applications like Twitter, you can actually post hello. I'll post that, it will drop it, as you see. So also the mobile version is highly responsive and very nice looking and all that stuff. So I'm still building this application. I haven't done it yet, but then in a few weeks, I guess it will be complete. So I guess that's all I gotta show for now. So I also got all these pages. So we get the so next I'm gonna be working on the notifications and the jobs, because they still have mock data. I have to actually make them have real data that's actually coming from the backend. This data is not coming from the backend, it's hard coded. And even right here in the jobs, the data is actually hard coded. I'm gonna have to make real endpoints for this data so that it's fetched from the backend. And I guess that's it. I guess that's all. Oh, one other thing that I wanted to show you guys is this. So you can actually donate on a post. For example, if someone makes a post, I want to make it that you can tip that person. When you click right here, you can tip that person who actually created this post, and you can enter your mobile money details and you send them a tip. This will be a very cool feature that has never existed on any app. It should actually exist on mine first, like tipping on a specific post. Yeah, that would be real cool. I guess that's all I wanted to show you guys. Um, yep. Okay. So, did I not show you anything? What did I not show? What did I not show? What did I not show? All right. Okay. Also, all these impressions are actually real impressions coming from the back end. When a post enters a view, what I do is that when a post enters the viewport, like 25% of the viewport, I grab the user ID of the logged in user. I attach it to the impressions. I push it to the impressions array on that specific post. But before I actually add it, I first check if it exists there. If it exists there, I don't add it. If it doesn't exist, I add it there. That's how it works. Oh, another thing is that you can actually repost. All these endpoints actually work. You can, when you hit repost, say I've reposted this post right here, and when I go to another account, that's right here, you can see as one new post, and this is actually a repost. These are two posts actually. And when I hit, you can see research Alan's, this is a reposted, and this is that repost that I've just made right now, and this is the another post that I actually made prior. So you can follow someone, you can unfollow them. So like this is Vladimir. So when I unfollow a user right here, they actually disappear away from my friend list when I unfollow them. So, and my following count actually has to decrease. And yeah, that's cool. What else? All this you can edit, all this you can change, all this when you come right here to your profile. You can actually update everything. This is your profile, you can actually update everything, you can update your bio, everything. So when you hit edit, you can actually edit this. So you can actually, here supposed to be the post that you got back, because Bohin has never created any post, you can't see their post. But when you go to another user, let's say this one, ads. So when ads loads up, you can see the number of posts only has one post, and this is the post, has 3 following and 3 followers. Yeah, so I'm actually a follower, so I can unfollow them if I want to. Yeah, I guess that's all I wanted to show for now. So this is my code. that I wrote for this application. This is my dashboard. This is my client. I got a lot of files, a lot of components in here, a lot of pages. I'm using Redux to manage my state. All these are the utils. This is my socket. This is where I configure all my sockets and everything. What else that I want to show you guys? This is my app. This is my API. These are my controllers, middlewares, routes, my schemas, and everything. So, like thousands, like these are thousands of lines of code. This is a very huge project that is not yet actually complete, and I have to work on the version of it. So, yeah, thank you for watching, guys. I guess that's it. So these are all my controllers and all the logic that I've written to do all this stuff. Alright, message controllers and all that stuff. Alright.